the demographic dividend that we have today, 15 years to 35 years age group, is about 300 million people. That is the largest in the world. So, we have adequate manpower to enhance manufacturing as we go along. The labor costs in India are one of the lowest in the world. Just to give you an example, China is the manufacturing hub of the world. Today, a technician or a worker who works on the shop floor level, he gets in China, the person is not available for even $1,000 per month. In India, a comparable labor costs only $200. So there is that cost advantage is there, but that is, I would say, minuscule. What is more important is that the engineering talent that is available in the country is far more talented. They are not as expensive as compared to some of the countries in the Eastern Asia hemisphere. So I think both at the technician level, at the engineering level, the talent that is available is low cost and it is in abundance. There are two things here that we have to understand. As I was talking about the engineering talent that we have, up until now, what we were focusing in terms of skill development was that we were skilling people at the lowest level, that is what we call level 1, level 2, level 3, which is either 10+2 or diploma holders or ITIs or polytechnic pass outs. Now we have to focus on higher level jobs, level 4, 5. That means graduates, engineering graduates, who can actually produce new age technology products, be it mobile phones, be it IT hardware, be it LED lighting, defense electronics, solar power. So these kind of new technology products will require higher engineering talent. Therefore, our aim at Electronic Sector Skill Council of India would be to develop courses or national occupation standards which cater to these demands. So that will be focus number one. Secondly, because of the demographic dividend that we have, and we have a large workforce, typically, for example, every year we have something like 1 million engineers that are churned out of technical universities. So these people not only can work for the Indian industrial ecosystem, but they can actually be a resource for the world. We have seen, we have got inquiries from countries like Taiwan, Korea, Japan, where they are saying, can you give us skilled manpower who would come and work with us in our factories in their respective countries. So our focus is high level jobs which can support emerging technologies, number one, and B, provide create an export potential for this workforce to work in the other countries. I think Electronica, Productonica have done a wonderful job. It's a very very vibrant platform, if I would say so, where people come together, both from the client side as well as from the suppliers of equipment. So we all meet together, we display our products, we also meet network with suppliers, customers. So it's been a very wonderful platform. Over the years, Electronica have identified what are the emerging technologies, where is the industry moving, in which direction the industry is moving, and Electronica has changed over the years, bringing up companies who are addressing these newer technologies, and therefore over the years we have seen that we have interacted within the industry for the betterment of the industry.